Hi, and welcome to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to resize images in Canva. If you have a photo that's already in Canva that you want to resize, let's work from there. But if not, we can always upload. So I'll go ahead and go to Uploads, select Upload Files, look for the photo that you want to upload, and go ahead and upload it. Wait for it to finish. Now, once that's done, let's go ahead and drag it to our blank Canva. One way to resize is by putting it on the edge of the canvas. It could be at the top or at the bottom. Then we can go ahead and drop. So it fills out the whole canvas. Now, if you don't want or you don't like where the frame stopped, you can go ahead and double left click on it. And then from there, you can drag on the circles and move it however you want it to show on the frame. And once you're okay with it, just hit enter. Another way would be just click on the photo so that it would be on the center of the canvas, and then you can go ahead and resize from here. All right. Another way would be going to the resize button here on the top left. This is only available for Canva Pro. So if you have custom sizes, you can put it here. Or if you have dimensions that you want to work out that's already given here, then you can go ahead and mark it and save the changes to resize the photo. And that's it. That's how you resize images in Canva.
If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.